Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Sun Bum Lighten and Tone Kit, also known as the best Sun Bum Purple Spray for blonde hair. If you're looking to lighten your hair and enhance those sun-kissed highlights, this product might just be what you need. The Sun Bum Lighten and Tone Kit is designed specifically for blonde hair. Whether you're a natural blonde or you've had some color treatments, this product works to bring out your blonde side while maintaining a healthy look. It's a must-have for those who want to lighten their hair all year round, without the harsh chemicals found in traditional hair lighteners. Not only does it work to lighten, but it also tones, helping you maintain a fresh and vibrant blonde. This is perfect for anyone looking to add a bit of brightness or those natural highlights to their hair. The best part? It's all about good vibes for your hair. This kit helps protect against frizz, humidity, UV oxidation, and dullness, so you can be sure your hair will stay looking healthy and vibrant no matter the weather. Sun Bum products are packed with nourishing ingredients like Costa Rican pineapple and Meyer lemon, which work to keep your hair in top condition. Plus, they're vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and paraben-free, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your hair. Now, how do you use this product? It's simple. Just spray it through your dry or damp hair before heading out in the sun. For an all-over lightening effect, make sure to cover your hair evenly, but if you're just looking for a few highlights, apply it to select strands. One important tip is not to overuse it. We recommend applying it no more than once between washes, so your hair can stay healthy and protected. Sun Bum has built a reputation for creating reliable products, and this Lighten and Tone Kit is no different. If you spend time outdoors, this product is perfect for maintaining that beachy, sun-kissed look. Whether you're a beach lover or just want to give your hair a natural glow, this kit will have you covered. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a product that lightens and tones your blonde hair, while protecting it from the sun and environmental stressors, the Sun Bum Lighten and Tone Kit is definitely worth checking out. It's safe for your hair, gentle on the environment, and will leave you with the vibrant, sun-kissed locks you've always wanted. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Sun Bum Lighten and Tone Kit, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. See you next time.